Okay, so today we're going to go over how to use the Rylo 360 camera and also how to export the file that you have taken from the camera onto your phone. So this camera is very simple. There's only two buttons here. We have the power button, which also acts as the capture button. And also we have the mode button here, which will allow you to switch between the different capturing modes, such as photo and video. So to turn it on, we want to long hold the power button and it will turn on the camera. And then we want to use the mode button here and switch between the different modes. For our purpose, the 360 video mode is what we're looking for. Okay, so to start capturing, just hit the power button again. It will start, hitting it again, and it will stop. I already have videos here captured, so I'm not going to go through that process. You can just try it on your side. Now, to port the recorded video to your phone, what you want to do is you want to download the Rylo app. Okay, so once you have the Rylo app downloaded, go through the initial setup process. You want to use the cable that comes with your camera, right? So I have the Android, and I'm going to use Android cable, but the iPhone cable is also included as well. Okay. So just one thing to keep in mind, you want the Rylo app to be open when you connect this. It just makes things easier. So once connected, you'll see the photos and videos that you have taken. All right, so we just want to click open a video. You can click on the video again to have it play, just so you can get a preview if you like before export. But we're just going to jump directly to exporting. You want to click on the arrow on the upper right here. Okay, and then this will bring up the option screen. You want to make sure that the settings are selected, especially the video, because as you notice, it's an HD video. That is the incorrect selection. We want to switch this to 360 video. Okay, so it will export in 360 format. For our needs, we do not need the audio, so you want to go ahead and turn off audio. If you're actually uploading the video yourself, and we're not processing it for you, then you might actually want the audio. Maybe you want to do narration during the showing. Okay, so we're going to turn audio off, and all you have to do at this point is click continue. And that's it. This will now save to your phone's gallery. So once done, you can go in there and you'll be able to find the video, which then you'll be able to send it to us. Okay, thank you for watching.